everyone, my name is Len. You are very welcome on my channel. Today I have another doll to unbox and it's Frankie Neon Frights. I'm quite excited for the Neon Frights line as I ordered a bunch of dolls from this line and I'm waiting for them all to arrive. I'm personally loving the Neon Frights line, even though people have controversial opinions on it, but I just love neon things and I love things that glow in the dark, so this is why I'm rocking with it. So starting off with a package, it's the 𝆪Find Secrets Locker. It has Monster High written in yellow font, Neon Frights logo here. We also have art of Frankie and we also have a bunch of other goals. So the locker has a matte part. It has different colored lockers and they're all neon. And we have a print of lightnings all around it. Let's take a look at Frankie. They are looking very interesting. I was not expecting them to have a shaved part of their head. Okay, so I got them out of the box and I am actually really loving their design in here. So I believe this Frankie has the longest hair of all the Frankies I've ever owned. Not the case when it's flocked like Venus from G1. It's just molded plastic. I cannot say I am a big fan of not flocked shaped hair, but the doll kind of compensates for it because I really like the design of their outfit. I'm really loving the blue prosthetic leg. Frankie has a very neon makeup. It has some neon yellow eyeshadow, neon pink and neon blue. Their piercing is pink in this line, and I'm loving that they're kind of playing around with the doll face prints and they kind of have a side eye. The hair is mostly white and it has a bit of blue hair and a bit of black strands. Moving on to the outfit, Frankie's wearing shorts that are part black and part white and they're kind of imitating latex. They're also wearing a top which has some lightnings on it. They're also wearing a belt which is of a neon pink color and it has lightning molded in here. The boots are uneven. One is taller and the other one is shorter. To show off the blue prosthetic leg, the keys that come with this Frankie are painted in some kind of light blue. Let's wash it out and find out which locker we're going to open first. The first key is crystal black. Let's open it. As always, the first locker is the clothing locker and it includes a cute little top with the lighting on it. We have a latex skirt, which is also having lightning prints on it. And we also have the Neon Fright signature hoodie, which every doll includes. It's neon yellow, it has some fishnet sleeves and some ears in form of lightnings, I guess. Hoodie is on and we're moving on to the next locker. Next locker is pink. This locker includes accessories. We have earrings. They're black and they're in a form of a chain, and they also have a small Monster High skull on top of that. Frankie also has a neon yellow necklace with a lightning on it and a neon yellow bag which is in a form of electricity danger sign. Let's move on to the third locker. It's the blue locker. This locker includes a key hanger which is neon yellow and a pair of loafers. One of them is white, the other one is black, and they also have a checkered print on them. Now let's open the last locker. Okay, that's actually really interesting. First up, we have a bag of chips. Next up, we have a shaving machine, which is really cute, including the fact that Frankie has shaved part of their hair. It's a really nice detail. We also have a hair dryer. It's blue. It has spiderweb detail right here. It has some stitches all around it, and the handle is imitating a lightning. Lastly, Frankie also has a notebook which says 13 plus hairstyles. Shows how Frankie shaped their hair, I think. The laptop also has a lot of stickers all around it. In general, I have a very positive opinion on this doll. I like all the details that are really well thought out. Make a story about how Frankie was creating their hairstyle. And I think that's a really interesting 𝓪 for Frankie. Thank you guys for watching this video. This was 𝓪Find. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like under this video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and bye bye!